The species given below that does not show disproportionation reaction is. Now first one is BrO2 minus. Now let the oxidation state or oxidation number of bromine be Z. Number of atoms of bromine in BrO2 minus is 1. So 1 into Z plus number of atoms of oxygen is 2. So 2 into oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Solving Z is equal to plus 3. Similarly in the second one BrO4 minus. Now assume oxidation number of bromine to be Z and oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. So in BrO4 minus, number of bromine atoms 1 multiplied by oxidation number of bromine, that is Z, plus number of oxygen atoms, that is 4, multiplied by oxidation number of oxygen, that is minus 2, and this is equal to minus 1. Solving, value of Z is equal to plus 7. In the third option BrO minus, number of bromine atoms 1 multiplied by oxidation number of bromine, that is Z, plus number of oxygen atoms 1 multiplied by oxidation number of oxygen, that is minus 2, and this is equal to minus 1. So Z is equal to plus 1. Fourth, BrO3 minus, number of bromine atoms 1 multiplied by oxidation number of bromine, that is Z, plus number of oxygen atoms 3 multiplied by oxidation number of oxygen, that is minus 2, and this is equal to minus 1. So Z is equal to plus 5. Solving this equation, Z is equal to plus 5. How to solve this equation? 1 into Z is Z, plus 3 into 2 is minus 6. This is equal to minus 1. So Z plus minus 6 is minus 1. From this, Z is equal to minus 1 plus 6, which is equal to plus 5. In this way, all the other equations can be solved. Now, what is disproportionation reaction? Let's take for example element, any element, let it be M. Now this element, suppose it has different oxidation states like plus 1, plus 3 and plus 5. Now when this is in plus 3 oxidation state in any compound, then if this plus 3 oxidation state is less stable, it will undergo simultaneous oxidation and reduction. That is, it will change into plus 1 oxidation state when it undergoes reduction, and it will change into plus 5 oxidation state when it undergoes oxidation. So it will give compound in which this particular element is in plus 1 oxidation state, which is lower than the original oxidation state, that is plus 3. So hence this is reduction. And another compound in which the oxidation state of this element is higher than the starting compound. So in the starting compound it was plus 3, in the product it is plus 5. So here it is undergoing oxidation. So same element undergoes simultaneous reduction and oxidation. And in one of the products it has higher oxidation state, that is it has undergone oxidation, and in the another product it has lower oxidation state, which means it has undergone reduction. So this kind of reaction is known as disproportionation reaction. And to show this kind of reaction, element should have variable valency. At least 3 valencies that element must have, so that it will show disproportionation reaction. So in case of bromine, in these different compounds, bromine shows valencies. Like in one it shows plus 3 valency, in another plus 7, then in option 3 it shows plus 1, and option 4 it shows plus 5. So the various valencies are plus 3, plus 1, plus 5, plus 7. Now in this option number 2, in BrO4 minus, the oxidation number of bromine is plus 7. So this species will not show disproportionation reaction because here bromine can undergo reduction and form product having bromine in any of these lower oxidation states, but it will not be able to go into any higher oxidation state because plus 7 is the highest oxidation state which bromine can achieve. So this species can undergo reduction, but simultaneous reduction and oxidation is not possible for BrO4 minus because in this bromine is already in its highest oxidation state. So this BrO4 minus will not show disproportionation reaction. So correct option is option 2.